What you doing, Jonah?
Twisting it.
What are you fixing?
I'm twisting this, the
What's that gonna go on your?
these red things.
What's that big green thing over there?
It's a tractor.
A tractor truck?
Yeah.
Wow. Are you finished screwing that on?
Yeah.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
Nope, it's not tight. Keep making it tight. Okay, check the other one.
I think it's tight.
Okay, cool.